welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain crypto. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button and hit my 2k subscriber. My wish to hit 2k subscriber. Please support me and complete my 2k subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Vechain crypto in a cryptocurrency market. What's going in the changes occurs in a Vechain cryptocurrencies. Oh my god, as you can see here, the changes is in negative 0.84% changes occur in the Vechain cryptocurrency in the previous 2 hours, and that's a live price prediction of previous 2 hours. You are watching now. The changes is 0.84% negative. As we see the chart analysis of the Vechain crypto, so it's clear they are falling down. They are falling down, as you can see here, falling down. Now let's see the live price prediction. What's the high price of Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hours? As you can see here, the high price of Vechain in the previous 2 hours is 0.93033 dollar is the high price of Vechain in the previous 2 hours. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. What's going in the what's changes occur in the 1 hour of Vechain cryptocurrencies. So it's loading. As you can see here, the previous 1 hour result is also a bad and very very sorry to say that, but it's the reality of Vechain in the previous 1 hour changes is negative 1.18% changes occur in the Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hours, and the high price of the previous 1 hour of Vechain crypto is $0.092199 is the high price of Vechain crypto in the previous 1 hour. If we see the chart analysis of Vechain crypto, so it's clearly falling down as you can see here. So it's a dumping time of Vechain crypto. My suggestion is to sell the Vechain crypto. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel because I need your support and complete my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much for your watching. Thank you so much.